Pushpa, come forward and say a few words.
Thanks to organizers for hosting such a nice and eventful this tournament. It has been quite a long year for me participating here, and thank you Aidil for bringing this tournament.
From Mr. Shurajit Banerjee. And all the members of IBM will come forward. Each member of this team will get a buffet dinner voucher from Hyatt Regency Kolkata. To salute the winners of 365 Oranges Cup 2011, I have called upon stage Mr. Abhijit Sarkar, a captain of IBM, to receive the winners trophy from Mr. Malay Mukherjee, the Honorable NCO. And a bottle of champagne. Also, each member of this team will get a dinner voucher from the Hyatt Regency.